Hi everyone, welcome to my channel at Design Master 1. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to animate your logo in Canva, just like this. So don't skip the video or you might miss some important steps. I'll guide you step by step, making it easy for beginners. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your Canva project. First, open Canva and go to the video section. Choose a size that fits your design purpose. I'm selecting 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is perfect for a YouTube intro. Step 2. Upload your logo. Now upload the logo you want to animate. Click on the logo to select it. If you want a cleaner look, you can remove the background. But in this tutorial, I'm keeping the background and setting my page background color to black for a smooth, bold look. Step 3. Add and adjust text. Next, go to the Text tab and write a title or any text relevant to your logo. Resize and position it properly to match your layout. Press Shift-R to bring up the ruler. This helps you align elements accurately. See how I'm doing it here? Just follow along. Step 4. Apply text effects. Select your text, go to Effects and choose Outline. Pick an outline style that complements your logo. Step 5. Position and mask elements. Now, select your logo and move it slightly to the side. Go to Elements, pick a square shape, and place it in front of the text and behind the logo. Adjust its size carefully. Then, change the square's color to match the background. This will create a smooth reveal effect. Step 6. Group and animate. Group the logo and square together. With the group selected, go to Animate, Create Custom Animation. Hold Shift and align the group like I'm doing. This creates a smooth and professional movement. Proper alignment and speed will make the animation look clean and modern. Step 7. Animate the text. Once the logo animation is complete, repeat the same process for the text. Hold Shift and animate the text to move to the opposite side. Step 8. Create page transitions. After completing your first animation page, duplicate the page. Now remove the animation on the duplicated page, but keep everything aligned in the same position. Change the text color, outline color, and logo color to create a fresh look. Duplicate this new page as many times as you want, changing the color scheme each time to keep your animation dynamic and visually interesting. Final touch. If you face any problems or have questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll reply and help you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel at Design Master 1 for more awesome Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.